Hey beautiful people, it's your favorite Realtor Rickita, and we are at another property. This property is a 4-bedroom, 2 full bath home. It's new construction, so it's brand new, you all. They're offering $20,000 to go towards your closing costs. I'm gonna say 2,000, no, 20,000 to go towards your closing costs. And that's if the home is already built and it's past the drywall, or let me not say built, but if it's past the drywall stage, they're offering the $20,000. If you guys want to get something custom, a little bit more custom, then they're offering $15,000 when you're using their lender. So this home right here is a little bit under 2,000 square feet, and I really love this home. So you'll see that after I show you everything that's here. This is the laundry room. We has past 2 bedrooms. This is the 3rd bedroom right here. It's used as an office, and then also we passed that full bath, and this is the closet space here. I really like it. They have a lot of homes available right now. So if you guys love this home, then definitely call me, 407-374-2747. I'll be happy to show you all this home in person. This kitchen is beautiful, right? I just love just the openness of it all. Like, I just like how open it is here. And this is on a corner lot, so that's really nice. So it's a lanai out here, which is nice. If you want to screen it in, you could screen it in. Beautiful grass. Let's look at the owner's suite. Oh wait, you have more closet space here too. So you can store things there. And here is the owner's suite. So nice, right? Let's look at the closet, then I'll show you the bathroom. So this is what the closet looked like. Nice. And as you can see too, it's carpet in the bedrooms. And this is the bathroom. So if you like this, definitely give me a call. I would be happy to help you. I'm in Florida, but I help all around the United States because I'm connected with so many other realtors. So call me, 407-374-2747. I'll be happy to help you all. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.